Sure, Mr. Wahid. First of all, I thank you. You came from Gujarat and interviewing here regarding that hunger strike. My father, social activist, his name is Bapu Surat Singh Khalsa. Also, you can get information from Bapu Surat Singh Khalsa, Sangharsh Jari hai on Facebook. And yeah, my father, he's a social activist from his age of 13. He born in 1933, just in a small village. And my grandpa was जस्ट वो छोटे ना किसान थे, छोटे किसान थे और वो मिलिट्री में थे। जो मेरे बाप हैं, मेरे पिताजी हैं, वो सबसे छोटे हैं घर में। सो ही इज़ दी ओनली एजुकेटेड पर्सन इन होम। ही वाज JBT टीचर। माय मदर आल्सो ए JBT टीचर एंड वी आर 5 sisters and I'm the only brother. My father started that this hunger strike at January 16. And January 16th, he became a human rights activist, like as a hunger strike. So from that day to today, he didn't take anything by his mouth. He just living on lemon water. But first time he started his hunger strike at January 16th, and February 26th, police arrest him in the civil hospital Ludhiana and force feed him up to April 23rd. So his hunger strike was 40 days, but he didn't take anything until today by mouth, but they force feed him until 2 months. Then April 23rd, they release him. Then he came home and start again that water, and up to June 1st, he was stay at home up to 37 days. But they took him to hospital and force feed him by the IV. So they forced him up to the June 23rd. They took him to Civil Hospital Ludhiana. Then they take him to DMC Hero Hurt Ludhiana. Then they take him to PGI Chandigarh. But 23rd they leave him. He came home, and until August, after that, August 9th, July 19th. He stay at home, then they pick him again. They take him to CMC Ludhiana, and before they pick him up, my dad declared if they pick him up this time and force feed him, he gonna stop to drink water even. So up to first 3 days, he even he don't drink any water. His just lip got scalped, and he take it out, and his tongue got, cracks on it. Okay. He got like bloody. Dry. No, because it's dry. It's for 3 days. So finally they chain him like a doggy chain on the. वो मंजे पे उसको बांध दिया, उसको उन्होंने लत्ता बांध दी, लेग्स बांध दी, बाजू बांध दी, और यहाँ से उनको चेन अप करके उन्होंने IV लगा दी उनको। जब वो IV लगाई तो वो उसका पिताजी का शरीर इतना ज़्यादा कमज़ोर हो गया था कि वो IV भी रिएक्ट कर दी. So they quickly changed him to the DMC Ludhiana again, and until 5th of August, they keep him there. They give him by the IV forcefully, by the IV, they give him medicines, and I don't know what. I heard they give him steroids also. So up to today, he's okay, he's at home, consciously he's okay, and so at August 17, his son-in-law, मेरी छोटी सिस्टर का घर वाला अमेरिका में मर्डर कर दिया किसी लोगों ने, तो मर्डर हो गया. Okay. So it was peaceful protest. Okay. Bapuji Surat Singh Khalsa, he's sitting at his home. He's not bothering anybody. He not even until 225 days there is nobody throws stone on anybody. Yeah. So it's very peaceful. But now there is a blood stains come on our Sangharsh because one person he got killed in United States, and he's immediate family member of our family. So, but Bapuji still said Sangharsh jari rahega until any prisoner who complete his sentence No matter he's Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Jaini, Bodhi, no matter what religion, no matter what's politics wise, like Congress, Comrade,
Yes.
BJP, Aam Aadmi Party, no matter what party he related to, no matter what religion he related to, and so that's his cause of that hunger strike.
So actually the hunger strike is not only for sick people or their imprisonment, it is totally for prisoners who are in jail whose sentence is been completed, right?
Yes, it's so.
So it's totally.
And also it's no matter the prisoner what he did, no matter he did he I would say he's politician or he just because that's his human right. Once he got his sentence complete in jail, he's supposed to be come out.
Yes,
So
true.
that's his cause. It's for human rights.
So what do you think after this means is it a failure of a government?
Yes, it is because they supposed to be release the person when he complete his sentence. So yeah, government is failed to do that. They, my father said, because I'm here only, I'm US citizen. I'm living in United States from 1991. My father was there in 1989, so he's US PR also.
Okay.
So we are here just for human right purpose. Nobody from my family in the jail, and he doing for I mean say human rights purposes.
So what message you want to give to our country, to our youth, that that a man is on hunger strike and still our media or our government is not showing anything on the TV screen or anywhere else? Why this thing is undercover still?
Yeah. Actually, I'm giving message from my dad because my job is to only, I'm here to listen or fulfill last wish of my father.
Okay.
So I'm not doing any kind of Sangharsh, right? Because there is a Sangharsh committee, Sardar Gurdeep Singh Bhatinda is the coordinator, right? So he's the one who handling this. If someone we need to talk to him regarding that type, his phone number is 9876072000. His name is Gurdeep Singh. He's the person who holding that all Sangharsh. But lot of young people came to see Bapuji and talk to him. I heard Bapuji always said, so young people need to wake up and they need to be get their rights. Not the it's not a demand.
Yes.
It's the right to the government should deliver it to the people, to the citizens of India.
India.
But they are failure to do that. Even I would say Central Sarkar, Prime Minister Modi ji and Punjab Sarkar, Prime Minister Sardar Prakash Singh Badal, and administration and law of the country, they should be same and equal to every single person, no matter what religion he born. So should be same to every single person. So, but in here it's not happening. We have lot of proofs to show that.
Okay. So can I have some proof of that if you can show me the list of the persons or anything?
Yes, we have those proofs. We have those prisoners. They already completed. They have a life sentence, right? It could be not more than 14 years, some 7 years, 10 years, depends what kind of murder he did. So maximum I think 14 years. But they serve already up to 25 years in jail. So they complete almost double than what they got.
Okay. Can I have the names on this?
One is Professor Devinder Singh Pullard. Second is Gurdeep Singh Kheda. Third is Briam Singh. Briam Singh, he's in UP jail. And there is a 3 people in the Badail jail, Chandigarh. They murdered that ex Chief Minister Sardar Briam Singh. But they complete more than their sentences. Question, no matter what they did.
Yes.
Question is they complete whatever court gives them. They should be released out and go home and enjoy their rest of life. You cannot hold anybody to say that, oh yeah, he killed this person might he come out from jail and kill another one. That's not the way to say. You need to leave him out and look what he's doing. And if he did again, then you can put him in jail again. But you cannot say, you cannot force what you think. You think is nothing rather than the, law.
हाँ जी बापू जी।
गुजरात के सिखों को गुजारिश करता हूँ, बेनती करता हूँ, वो अपना जो है ना खानदानी विवेक उसको पहचाने। आपने मातृभूमि छोड़ी, वहाँ जाकर जंगल की झाड़ियाँ फाड़ी, जमीन को बर्बाद को आबाद किया। वो जो मोदी का धंधा चल रहा है उसकी परवाह नहीं करनी। मुजारा एक्ट में भी कोई ज़मीन बाकी नहीं छुड़ा सकता। इसके अलावा पंजाब की तरह जो रणकच्छ है, रणकच्छ है ना, वो बॉर्डर एरिया है। गुजरात भारत का हिस्सा है। मौका पड़े तो गुजरात की राखी करनी है। जो सरकार की बात है 15-20 दिन के बाद शुरू हो गई थी। हम 3 छोड़ते हैं, 13 छोड़ते हैं, 23 छोड़ते हैं, 42 छोड़ते हैं। ये जो बात हुई है, उसके बाद बादल ने खुद कहा था मीटिंग में संघर्ष कमेटी में हम सभी छोड़ देते हैं और प्रशासन को हुक्म दे दिया था। वो क्यों मुनकर हुआ है, ये जवाब उससे पूछे। इसका जवाब वही दे सकता।